Hey Libra, welcome to your June reading. This reading is for anyone that's in a relationship, a situationship. If you're married, or if you just got something going on with that someone, you're not even for sure what to call it. This reading is for you. This reading is a romantic reading, and it is for June the 5th to the 13th. All right, so let's go ahead and hop into your reading, Libra. All right, Spirit. What's in store for my Libra lovers? 5th to the 13th. Okay, so in the deck, we have the Oppression card, okay? The overall energy is the Three of Cups. All right, so Libra, under the Three of Cups, you do have the Nine of Staves, which, and on the side of the Nine of Staves, we have the Princess of Cups, and we have the King of Cups. So I do feel like there may be some Libras in here that are feeling extremely emotional. You may have water in your chart, okay? A lot of you guys are dealing with someone, a male, maybe an older male that's possibly very emotional himself. Or he may have water in his charts as well. So we're looking at Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio, Sun, Moon, or Rising that you may be dealing with, okay? I feel like there is someone that's trying to reach out to you right now, Libra. But I feel like you're ignoring this person, like you really have a wall up. You're avoiding this person completely and totally. Now, it could be the opposite way around. You may be trying to reach out to someone that you feel very passionate about, someone that you have a lot of feelings for, someone that you're in a relationship with. And this person may be kind of giving you the cold shoulder. So it could go either way. But there's definitely a lack of communication that's going on in your relationship right now, where either you're avoiding your significant other or your significant other is avoiding you. Okay, there's definitely a lack of communication. For some of you guys, there may be a cancellation of plans. You and your partner may have been planning to come together, to unite, to have a party, to, you know, have a gathering of some sort. And maybe you just don't feel like going to this gathering. It could be like a family reunion. Okay, it could be your significant other's friends that you're annoyed with, or you could just be totally just avoiding your partner. That's the feeling that I get here, is that there's a lack of communication within your relationship. Now, for some of you, not all of you, there's a possibility of a three-party relationship here, okay? And I'm feeling like someone has gotten caught up, like something has been revealed, and now you and your partner is at this point where, you know, something has been revealed, and now, you know, you don't want to speak. You're giving your partner the cold shoulder because of you finding out what it was that they did, or they found out what it was that you did behind the scenes. Okay? But there's definitely a love offer here. I feel like someone's trying to apologize or explain themselves in regards to, you know, this three-party situation. or whatever it is that's causing division between you and your significant other, I feel like someone is trying to reach out. This person, this water sign, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, Sun, rising, is trying to offer love, is trying to offer compassion, is trying to, you know, compromise. But it's like unrequited love here. It's definitely someone is giving the cold shoulder. Spirit, give me some clarification for this Three of Cups. Give me some clarification for this Nine of Staves and King of Cups. Three of Cups, Princess of Cups, Nine of Staves, and King of Cups. Clarification for this cards. Yes, somebody is really opening their heart. Again, trying to offer compassion, trying to offer love, expressing their emotions, trying to push through these issues, this blockage, these negative circumstances that's kind of keeping you and your significant other at a distance, okay? Because you have the Page of Cups here, and so there, like I said before, there's a love offer that's here, but clearly someone is avoiding this love offer, and it's either you or your partner. There's a lot of sadness because we have the Five of Cups here, so I feel like there's like almost either some emotional manipulation that's going on, or you or your partner is just feeling extremely let down, feeling hurt, feeling emotionally drained, okay? Feeling left in the cold. I do feel like this was a serious relationship that you were in or are currently in. For a lot of you guys, I feel like there was a breakup, or you and your significant other are like on the verge of a breakup. There's definitely separation that's going on right now. For some of you, I do feel like there's another water sign, in particular a Scorpio, but it could be a Pisces or a Cancer. Definitely a water sign that is in the midst of creating this division. There is a three-party situation that involves another water sign here. And I feel like there have been some words exchanged between you and this third party here. I'm also seeing that this third party, this water sign here, is really, really extending their heart out towards your significant other. Yeah, some of you guys are in a three-party situation where whoever it is that you're dealing with, this water sign, this King of Cups that's showing up, or this Princess of Cups, male or female, this person has someone that's on the side, that's kind of like waiting in the mist. And they're really expressing how they, you know, want to be with your partner. They're really trying to put their heart out there. There's definitely some communication that's going on. Okay. For others of you, I feel like this is simply just a lack of communication within your relationship between you and your partner, because you feel wrong. You feel like your partner is not being fair. Your partner is not being just. You know how we Libras are. You know, we want fairness in everything. You know what I'm saying? And for some reason, I feel like you're dealing with someone that is borderline emotionally manipulative. You know, I feel like this person isn't fair. They tend to kind of do things the way that they want to. Spirit, give me some clarification for this King of Cups here and the Five of Cups. Yeah. This water sign is definitely wanting reconciliation. They're wanting to push through, make things work. They want a serious relationship. They're offering, or they will be offering, commitment. But I feel like, Libra, if this is you, which I feel this is your energy with the Princess of Cups, I feel like you're avoiding your significant other, your partner, and you need to heal. Someone needs to heal. And I feel like your intuition is telling you that, you know, that you should just move on. You may be feeling like this relationship is a burden and questioning whether or not, you know, you should even put the time or energy into this relationship, because it may be mentally draining and emotionally draining. So Libra, expect, you know, a love offer, because there's definitely someone that's here that is trying to offer you love. Now, if this is the opposite way around and you're offering and you're extending your heart to someone, expect them to be avoiding you, they need to heal. But I honestly feel that Libra, this is you that's avoiding your partner. It's like cat and mouse game that's going on here. It's a cat and mouse. It's a cat and mouse game. Spirit, how does Libra feel about their significant other? How do they feel about this love offer? How do they feel about this love offer? Page of Cups. Yeah, I see. I feel like it's breakup to make up, breakup to make up, and inside your mind, you're feeling like, you know what? I'm not gonna keep doing this. I'm just ready to avoid you totally and just move on, because I'm tired of being hurt. I'm tired of this emotional roller coaster. You know what I'm saying? And this person, when you guys are together, this person makes you feel complete. And you make this person feel complete, you know. But it's like when you guys are together, everything is phenomenal. But when the shit hits the fan, things are extremely bad. And it can be something that's so small, so petty, like a disagreement that I feel causes division for longer than intended, for longer than expected. I feel like things begin to snowball. Days and days and days of no communication for, you know, for something that may have taken place in the past. All right, so Spirit giving my Libras some spiritual guidance in regards to June the 5th to the 13th. In regards to the relationship. All right, so Spirit is just pretty much saying that you're limitless. You can choose whatever it is that you want to do, you know. I feel like you need to follow your intuition. If you're not happy, then let it go, you know. I feel like this relationship doesn't bring you the stability or the security that you yearn for, Libra. And Spirit is asking that you go back to what it is that you love. You know, your current situation is giving you an opportunity to reevaluate what you want. Okay? Are there any more messages for Libra? I feel like this message is also saying that if there is a lack of communication, not to stress over things right now. Just really take your mind off of whatever it is that's causing the division. And keep yourself busy. Keep yourself busy, you know, doing the things that you enjoy. Doing the things that you're passionate about. All right. So your message is, dearest you, since you're on Earth, you understand how buildings are built. Yes, a good solid foundation and yet flexibility too in case of earthquakes. Truth be told, you can't offer something sustainable unless it is built from a solid base. Whether it be an idea that takes form one step at a time or an actual house that needs a sturdy foundation dug, poured, and built. We want to remind you of this because you might need a little encouragement to see that this is true in your life at this time. Celebrate the fact that right now you can repair the cracks in the foundation of your life effortlessly, as well as do a general sight check to ensure your hard work is being well supported. Do this and know you are building your life on a perfect and sound foundation that will allow you to welcome the many miracles waiting to come to visit. We're so happy for you and so intrigued by what you're building. All right. So I feel like Spirit is saying that this situation calls for a solid foundation. Okay. I feel like this is a situation that can be fixed with time. But both you and your partner need to put the effort into the relationship in order to push the relationship in the direction in which you want the relationship to go. All right. So Libra, that is your message. I hope that it helped. If you would like a private or personal reading, click down in the description box below. My website will be listed as well as my instantgo. So if you have an iPhone, you can contact me on instantgo. If you would like a recorded reading or a phone reading, click on my website. I also have products, candles, love bars, bath bars of all kinds. Okay. These come, you can buy those separately or they come in sets. All right. I also have jewelry on my website, herbs, oils, pretty much everything that you can think of. All right, you guys. Ashe.